If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's Kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making KAKATUA JHILI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take half a cup of urad dal, half a cup of moong dal and quarter cup of rice. Soak those in some water for roughly about 6 to 8 hours. Then discard the water and with some fresh water blend to make a medium thick paste. Then take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it. And we need about a teaspoon of that. Then 1 cup of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. Now in a large bowl, add all the blended paste, the salt and the clove and cardamom powder. Then mix it up really well and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. And in the meantime, we will make the sugar syrup. Now take a pan or a saucepan and in that take all the sugar along with 1 cup of water. And over high flame, boil this for roughly about 10 minutes. Roughly, which is also the one string consistency. So after 10 minutes, switch off the flame. Now to make the identical shape of the KAKATUA JHILI, you can use either cloth, piping bag or a kitchen press which can make jalebi. So from this, I am using the piping bag. So take all the mixture in it, bind the top portion and with the help of scissors, cut the tip of it. And before using it directly in the pan, practice some in the bowl itself. Now to fry this, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on medium. Then make the identical shape of the jhilli directly in it. And we need to fry these till they are golden and crisp. Then remove them and soak them directly in the sugar syrup, which should be warm, not hot or cold. And let them soaked for roughly about couple of minutes. And this should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad KAKATUA JHILI. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.